Before we move to the next aspect of differentiation, which is what? Function of function. So let us solve these 5 questions. So for these 5 questions, you can use what? First principle to solve it. But in order to save the time, let us use what? The general what? Method to get the what? The final answer. Solution. So the first question is what? We are given that y is equal to the what? 3 cube root of what? X exponential 4 minus square root of x exponential what? 3. So you are now asked to find the what? dy the what? dy dx. Please, you need to be very careful. If you have problem with indices, go and check indices very well. So here now, before we find the y dx, let us remove this square what? Square root. If you have what? Cube root of what? Of a is the same thing as what? A raised to power what? 1 over what? 1 over 3. That's what? This. So let us apply it here now. The y will be equal to the what? X exponential 4 into what? 1 over what? 3. Do you agree with this expression? Then minus, this one is what? 2, square root of 2. We have what? X exponential 3 into what? 1 over what? 2. By removing this square root to give you this. The next thing is what? Open the bracket. Your y will be what? X equal to what? 4 exponential x exponential 4 over 3 minus y exponential what? 3 over what? Over 2. So with this level now, you can what? Solve, you can find our what? Dy dx. Yeah, let's find the y dx. Dy dx. It will now be what? Apply the general formula, which is n x minus 1. My n here is 4 over 3. Then 4 over 3 x will be 4 over 3 minus 1. Minus, my n here is 3, abi, 3 over 2 x exponential what? 3 over 2 minus 1. So the y, the x, it will now be what? 4 over 3 x. What will be the LCM here? 4 minus 3 over what? Over 3. So here we have what? 3 over 2 into the what? 3 minus 2 over what? Over 2. So dy dx, it will now be what? 4 over 3 x. That will be what? 1 over 3 minus 3 over 2. Here we have x exponential what? 1 over what? Over 2. So the final answer, it will now be what? Dy dx, it will be what? 4 over 3 into cube of x. You know, I said this give us this. You turn it back. Minus 3 over 2 into the what? With what? With x. So do be the what? The final answer for what? For the first question. Question 2. The second one, we are given this as what? Y should be equal to what? 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus x, everything over what? 3 into what? Root x. Yes. This is the same thing as what? 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus x over, divide here, change it to what? It will be what? X exponential 1 over what? 3. The next thing will be what? 3 times s. Look at it now. Let us correct this. Is this 3 is here. So this 3 is what? Is here too. Which one? Okay. You now have what? Raised to power what? 3 over what? X raised to power what? 3 plus, we split it. 3x squared. X raised to power what? 3 plus x over what? Raised to power what? 3. Y equal to what? 4x exponential 3. This one will go up. Now become what? X exponential minus 1 over 3 when this going up plus 3x squared. This will go up to become x exponential minus 3 plus x. This will go up now by what? X exponential what? Minus 3 from law of indices. So by solving it further, we have what? 4x 3 minus 1 over what? 3 plus 3x squared minus 1 over 3 plus x to the power 1 minus 1 over what? 3. What we do now is what? Y should be 4. What is SN here? 9 minus 1 over what? 3 plus SCM here is what? 3x 6 minus 1 over 3 plus x 3 minus 1 over what? 3. So you now have y should be what? 4x. This will give us what? 8 over what? 3 plus 3x to give us what? 5 over 3 plus x to now give us what? 2 over what? 3. So then dy, the x will be 8 over 3 multiplied by 4x 8 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3x, no, sorry, 5 multiplied by 5 over 3 multiplied by what? 3x 5 over 3 minus 1 plus 2 over 3 multiplied by x 2 over 3 minus 1. So we are now have what? This 4 times 8, 32. We have 32 over 3x. This will give us what? 3 minus 8, 5. 5 over what? Over 3. And plus, we have 3, we carry 3 here. We have 5x. 3 minus 5, 2 over what? 3 plus, here we have 2 over 3x. 3 minus 2. That will be what? Minus 1 over what? Over 3. So the final answer, it will now be what? dy dx, it should be 3 over 32 or 32 over 3x 5 over what? 3 plus 5 what? 5 x 2 over what? 3 plus 2 over 3 times what? 1 over s raised to power what? 1 over 3. That will be the what? The final answer for derivative of what? Of this. The third one, we are given that what y is what x exponential 3 plus 2x squared plus 1 everything over what x. So you will now divide everything by what? By x. You have y should be x cubed over x plus 2x squared over x plus 1 over what? Over x. So this cancel out here. You have y equal to the what? X squared. Here we have 2x. Here we have plus x raised to the power minus 1. Then you now differentiate. dy, the x, it will be what? 2x, 2 what? 2x. This one will become what? 2. Here we have minus x exponential minus 2. Have you now? Minus 2. That should be the final answer. The y, the x will be what? 2x minus 1 over what? X squared plus 2. Final answer. So, these 4 and 5, you can solve it. So the next thing is what? Let us move to the what? The function of a function.